Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on auditing. So let's start with question number 1. The word auditing is a derivative of Latin word. Option A, accountancy, B, audire, C, audit, D, error. And the correct answer is B, audire. Question number 2. Financial statements comprise of A, trading account, B, profit and loss statement, C, balance sheet, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not the element of auditing? Your options are A, auditing is dependent examination, B, it is examination of financial information, C, the examination is conducted with a view to expressing an opinion on the said information. D, auditing can be conducted on any entity. And the correct answer is A, auditing is dependent examination. Question number 4. An audit examination is to be made on the basis of A, voucher, B, documents, C, information, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 5. One of the following is not the primary objective of audit. Your options are A, examine the system of internal check, B, checking arithmetical accuracy of books of account, verifying, posting, casting, balancing, etc. C, verifying the authenticity and validity of transactions. D, detection and prevention of error. And the correct answer is D, and that is detection and prevention of error. Question number 6. Which one of the following is not the advantage of auditing? Your options are A, detection and prevention of frauds and errors, B, loans from financial institution granting, C, identifies weak areas, D, dependence of inside information. And the answer is D, dependence of inside information. Question number 7. Which one of the following is not the limitation of auditing? Your options are A, dependence of inside information, B, faulty judgment of auditor, C, evidence is not conclusive, D, presentation of correct picture of business. And the answer is D, and that is presentation of correct picture of business. Question number 8. The word audire means A, to write, B, to see, C, to speak, D, to hear. And the correct answer is D, to hear. Question number 9. An auditing activity is for companies. Option A, voluntary, B, mandatory, C, cash based, D, none of the above. And the correct answer is B, and that is mandatory. Question number 10. The term audit originated from the word audire, which is one of the following words. Your options are A, Latin, B, French, C, Greek, D, none of the above. And the correct answer is A, Latin. Question number 11. The elements of auditing are A, organization, B, intelligence, C, account books and reports, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, and that is all of the above. Question number 12. The primary objective of an auditor is A, detection of mistakes and errors, B, prevention of frauds, C, ascertaining validity of information, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is A, that is detection of mistakes and errors. Question number 13. Auditing is the process after A, bookkeeping, B, accounting, C, presentation, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is B, accounting. Question number 14. The users of accounting information cover option A, shareholder, B, government, C, creditors, D, all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 15. Auditing means Option A, to prepare accounts books. B, to prepare trial balance. C, to examine accounting books. D, to make judgment in account. And the correct answer is C, that is to examine accounting books. Question number 16. The main objective of an audit is option A, expression of opinion. B, detection and prevention of frauds and errors. C, both A and B. And D option depends on type of audit. And the answer is C, that is both A and B. Question number 17. One of the following is not an advantage of audit. Your options are A, it provides satisfaction for owner. B, it helps in getting loans. C, it reduces cost burden. D, it detects errors and frauds. And the correct answer is C, that is it reduces cost burden. Question number 18. An audit is examination of such records to establish the reliability of the statement drawn from them. This definition was given by option A, A.W. Hansen. B, Lawrence Dixie. C, De Paula. D, Spicer and Pegler. And the correct answer is A, that is A.W. Hansen. Question number 19. The limitation of auditing covers A, high cost burden. B, inconclusiveness of evidences. C, based on estimates. D, based on external evidence. And the correct answer is D, that is based on external evidence. Thank you.